Okay, here's the finished product. Got some landscape lights put in. They look pretty good. I worked on them last night a little bit. Stairs are done. That's the hassle-free pond, I guess. And got some uplighting on that tree. And gonna put some lights behind the water to make it glow at night. And there she is. Old farm window, old farm ceramic sink. That's it. Got the door on the back with all the controls. Ran the wire up through it. That's it. Alright, a little more mulch to put in around the tree. There's a light there. And then I did some lights on the boxes. There, and then lights on the arbor. And Tori, there's your guys' tree you got for Kendra. Look at that. Okay, time to go to work.